Now I will introduce the attaching of and operating instruction in the use of SIM automatic pipe bedding machine. Note 1. Place the equipment on the even surface to keep it stable. Note 2. Before using, add oil into the oil cylinder and check the oil scale. Keep the level of the oil is higher than a half of oil scale. 3. Check the rotating direction of the model. If it is wrong, please change the power line. Note 4. Place or draw the mood. Please cut out of the power. Now, let's know some main modes of a pipe bedding machine. This is the bedding die. This is the manual. This is the guiding die. This is the clamping die. Now, let us know about the operation of the pipe bedding machine. There are 4 modes of operation in our pipe bedding machine: SIM automatic, automatic, test, and manual. The main mode we use in manual mode, and the SIM automatic mode. Now we click the manual mode to enter the manual control mode. This is our manual control mode. Keep pressing main clamp to take action of clamping and release the button to stop clamping. Other buttons operating mode is the same as this. Now, okay. Let's click SIM automatic to enter the SIM automatic control mode. When we set every parameter in the parameter settings, click the run and step on fourth switch to start. We will make the sample for you next time. Now we have a C. This is our parameter site. Click the import form. The parameter setting interface will be shown, and now the parameter can be set. This is our workpiece production. Now we can set every number in the default production. This is our function selection. We will help you select every option according to your product when the beginning. This is our setting time. We will set up the most suitable time according to your product when the beginning. If you want to work faster, you can set the time by yourself. Okay, this is our setting angle. If your pipe have 3 elbows, just enter 3 elbow dates in it. There are up to 20 dates. Okay, now I will bend a sample pipe for you. This is the drawing of the sample tube. The first bend is 100 millimeter. 100. Okay, we will bend the sample tube for you. For example, let's have a look. This tube have two different degrees. This first degree is 55 degree, and the second degree is 52 degree. Okay, let us set the degree in this screen. Let's have a look. Standing angle. This 1 degree. (128 degree). OK， wrong。这个2个长。The first length is 100 millimeter. 100 from here to here. OK. Press the fourth switch. The second length is 200 millimeter. 200. Okay, this is 200 millimeter from here to here. Okay, press the fourth switch.